Here we go. Now in the field I'm going to test if the disco will work, if this motor is okay, if the servos are okay, and so on. What's first? I don't remember, but maybe the disco. It's very early in the morning, it's cold here. Very cold. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay, we have green. Okay, I have to calibrate. Of course. Of course. Okay, it's done. Already green GPS on both devices. What's that, the moon? It is. Let me check the memory. It's empty. Okay, we're almost. Drone memory. Oh, it has two videos. From February 19 was the crashes, I think. Okay, let me see. Cross your fingers now. The ground is wet. If when the disco will hit the ground, it will be wet. Anyway, let me see. Yes, and here she goes, or he. Wow. It's damn working. That's good news. That's really good news. Nervous. Oh, nice view. Boy, I'm so happy. And I have finally the drone working. I think in this case I don't know if it was by substituting the motor or if it was the servos. I don't know, because I substitute the servos and the motor. This is a Wi-Fi flight, so and very low. I will lose connection at any moment. I hope it returns. Nice view. Still I have connection. What about the battery? 92%. Okay. It's too low, I hope it returns. And here she comes. She or he or it, whatever. I think it goes sideways. And this is actually my first Parrot Bebop. Come on. my first Parrot Disco I bought. I think it is, yes it is, it's the same C.H.U.C.K, the same structure, not the same wings, not the same motor, not the same servos. This is Emax servos. Okay, let's do some, follow the guys on the motorbikes or not. Okay, I'm flying too low. This could collide with the trees. Okay, let's see. Oops. Turn around. You have to turn around and do a flyby, passing by, whatever the name, if it is okay. Where do you see? Ah, here it comes. Looks okay to me. Looks very nice to me. Go up. Looks smooth, if we can say that. Turn around. Another flyby. Hello. Very low flight, 3 meters high. Okay, let's go up, because we can lose connection when there are trees. The horizons are twisted. I think I should have done the flat trim maybe. The horizon is not okay. Look at the color of that water. And one of the servos is not flat. I don't know why. The right servo, I think. Yes. What's that? Let me turn around to the seat to check the level. See what I was saying. I'm losing. Losing again. This is surrounded by trees and nature, so we lose connection easily here in Wi-Fi. Here it comes. What a view. Now the horizon looks okay. I don't know. What a nice view, anyway, with the fog at the distance and the mountains and the ground with trees. And it's going very slowly. I think he's going sideways to the right. I think. But it's okay. I think it's going very slowly. I don't know if it is because of the returning home. There it goes. Yeah, I can see it goes sideways and there is no wind at all. Continue. Very slowly. Where it goes until it lost the connection, because there are all these trees in front of the controller. We are losing a signal at any moment. Oh, the trees are a good Wi-Fi shield. And losing. I hope it will return. It's very cold here at the shadow. Maybe I'll go to the sun right here. And it's returning. Ah, that's better here. A little bit better. But now we have sun on the eyes. Damn. Okay, 58%. Now it's doing the circle thing. Oh. Okay, the disc is approved. And he's going to the right, flying to the right a little bit. I don't know why. It flies sideways a little bit. I think, but the horizon it's okay. I think the problem is, look, the horizon is okay. I think the problem is the servo. When is the right servo, when is at the neutral position, it is a little bit higher, the little plastic thing. I don't know if I am saying the right things. Anyway, a little bit far away, doesn't matter. There he goes. At Sunday there are those bikers going around. Today is Sunday. Now I think he's going sideways but to the left. Or is it my impression? Anyway, doesn't matter. Let me pass through those trees, a little bit risky. I've never done with this with the disco, I think. Wow, here he goes. Now, fly near the trees. Let me see if I can see that. Ah, here he goes. Very near the trees. Very slowly. Let's slow it more. Cool. Here he goes. Wow. Okay. I really don't know which direction is the wind because there are almost no wind or none. .17 minutes of flying, 31%. It's not good at all. But add some little fun here. Another flyby. Let me reduce the speed. I'm pushing the left stick to the stomach. There you go. Hello. Beautiful sight. So I'm going to go, it corrects itself. I'm going that way. Now I will return then. Why is it going sideways? I think this servo is not okay, or something like that. Look at the horizon, I'm doing nothing. Okay, 19%, 20 minutes flying. I'm gonna return and land the bird. Oh, where is the... kind of lost. Oh, no, it's not. Here, it's that direction. Come on. Okay. Lowering. Passing through the trees again. Going slowly. Okay, where is he? Or she, or whatever? Somewhere in this direction. Whoop. Ah, there it goes. I can see it. I'm about to press landing at any moment. Okay. Okay, pressing landing. Yeah, disgusting. Okay, 18% battery. 21 minutes and 37 seconds of flight. These stock batteries are not good at all. Oh, so many places to land, and we land right there. Okay. I think everything is okay. One more successful flight and successful fixing. What I was saying is this thing, see, this one is okay, flat, and this one is up. The center position of this servo is like that, and the center position of this servo is like that. I tried to correct it, but I can't. Okay, anyway. What was that? So, thank you for watching.